In this video, guys, we're going to be unboxing those Futuras. Finally got them in hand. It took quite a while, actually, because I won them on like the Friday, and then I won the other one like previously, and they got delayed, and I'm still waiting on another pair, which is still delayed till I think tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully we'll see them very soon. Guys, let me know what you think of the Futuras. Do you actually like the pair? Do you want a personal? Are you going to be buying for an investment? Because I might do a video on that, because I feel like these shoes might do pretty well, very similar to like Haritos in my opinion. So I'll do a separate video on them, what I think, my thoughts and opinions, etc. But yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the box, and yeah, let's open this box, man. Been waiting all day. All right, so we finally got it. And if you don't realize, if you've watched my channel before, we're in like a different room at the moment. Complete room change, complete house change actually. So I had to go collect this from the old house. So yeah, I'm gonna have to collect the other one from the old house. But that's all right, because I'm using that as like another address, so I can use to buy more stuff, like multiples, etc. We got the box here. My address is on the other side. I'm not obviously going to show you that, but let's do a little unboxing. I actually haven't seen these in hand yet, so I'll be really interested to see how they look. I'm sure they look really good. This is actually my size as well, which is nice. So originally on the first raffle that I won on a skate shop. Gave me like 2 chances, which is kind of strange. You never really see that. So basically it was like a golden ticket. So this website, I had the golden ticket for like 6 months. I kept it because I knew this drop was happening, so I was going to use it for when they were going to release the drop, because they give golden tickets out to people first, kind of like a separate raffle from the general release. But in the form, because it's the first time I've actually used a golden ticket on this website, they give you like 2 chances, and it's funny as well, because it said we know higher big sizes are going to be more in demand, so we're going to give you a second choice in case your first choice was not successful. So my first choice was my personal size UK 10, and then my second choice was a UK 9, and I won on my second choice, not the first choice. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of cool to give you a second chance. So I'm actually kind of like happy with that. Good skate shop, good skate shop. But yeah, we've got it in this box. This is the quick strike box, the new one. I gotta say, I do like this one. I think people prefer the rainbow one, but I'm a fan of this box. I like the plain simplicity of the box. Let's go. So hopefully at the start of this video, you probably would have seen the shoes already. So yeah, this is my first time showing you guys. Let's take a look. Ooh, I can see the FL on the bottom. Ooh, looking very good. Damn, what the fuck? These look sick. It's very blurry because it's focusing on my face. But yeah, look at those. Damn, that is sick. That is a sick shoe. Keeps focusing on my face, obviously. But yeah, ooh, the material is so nice as well. Let's go take a look at these shoes. Oh, this is my size as well. Technically, I wear a UK 10.5. This shop that I went on was a different one. Basically, I had, if you're a good customer of them, you get a special password link. Basically, you get first access. Pretty much they all sell out within like 2 minutes anyway. So that happened at like 8 in the morning or something on, I believe it was last Saturday. And yeah, that was pretty much GG's. I got lucky. I went for my size because went fuck it, why not? And yeah, we got the shoe. These are the Futura SB Dunk Lows. I gotta say, I love the turquoise. I love the colors. I love the mix match with the lacing. I think that's a cool little touch. But yeah, this shoe is so nice. This shoe is so nice. It's annoying as well because I actually want a personal, but like my situation of shoes and everything have kind of changed. I don't really care as much. I'll be talking about that in a different video. Basically, my mind is pretty, well, to be fair, I want to try and like make as much money as I possibly can, but I don't want to be doing it like what I'm doing now, which is sneakers. I kind of want to move on to like a different route. So I'm trying to find ways online to make as much money as I can so that I can, you know, get my own place out of this country, because I kind of want to leave this country where I live. To be fair, it all could change depending on what happens in life realistically, but yeah, I'm rambling because this is not an unboxing of the Futuras. So yes, we got the Futuras. Let's take a look at the Futuras. We got the cool Futura signature. We've also got the FL on the side. Now this is looking the wrong way, but you can see it pretty clearly there. I gotta say, this is a sick shoe. Got the tag as well, which has Futura Nike SB in the Futura font style. I believe the back is reflective, the grey parts which are reflective. But I gotta say, this shoe is very, very nice. I think some people said that they're not a fan of the canvas on the toe box, because obviously when you wear your shoes, that crease is gonna, you know, show up a lot. but who really cares? I mean, wear your shoes, you know. I'm in a situation where I don't want to wear these shoes. I just want to, I don't know. I'm in a situation where I'm like, I just want to focus on some other things. But it's got all the text of the Futura on the inside, and the shoelaces is in the way. I think the other shoe has like a cool little detail on. So on the, I believe it's called the medial side, you've got this like stitching, which is like yellow and stuff. But on this side, you don't actually have it on the shoe. So I like how the shoes are like unique, you know, they're different on each pair. We got the Futuras. I gotta say, this is a sick shoe. I think this will be a great shoe. I think this might actually be shoe of the year. I think a lot of people might agree with me on that. And I haven't really seen anything that's gonna top this shoe for 2024 in terms of like SBs. I really can't see it. Like Futura don't really do this, you know, general releases for like these types of shoes. Like I'm pretty sure when I looked back, I did some research on like the other shoes. They did the highs. There was another one with the lows, but they only made like a very limited amount, like less than 100 pairs. So this one being like a full-on general release that a lot of people had a good chance of trying to cop for retail. And in terms of resale value now, it's not high, but it's still high. You know what I mean? But yeah, we've also got this turquoise or this green swoosh, which is like a suede as well, which is very, very nice. And the rest of the patches on the sides, these are all canvas. I believe that's the term. Oh, and we also got Futura on the back with his signature. It would have been nicer if the entire shoe sole was stretched out with his signature instead of the middle part. If I really was in a position, I'd keep them, but I'm like in a position where I'm like, you know what, I just start selling a lot of stuff because I want to move on and I want to try and find other ways to make money online, and I want to like proper focus on that. YouTube is actually still quite an interesting one of mine. I still like to do YouTube videos, but the content side of it might change up quite a bit. So Nike Dunk, Futura, what do you guys think? Did you guys get a pair for retail? Did you hit on the website for Futura? Because I didn't. I think a couple of people in the UK group actually did manage to hit, so it was possible to hit outside of the USA, which is really, really sick. Did you manage to hit on the Futura website? What are your plans for this shoe? Are you going to be holding it? Are you going to sell it right now? Because why not? Who really cares? Are you going to keep a pair? Did you have multiple pairs? Are you keeping a pair for personal and holding one for the future? Perhaps maybe Christmas time it might do really well. A lot of things tend to do really well at Christmas time. Sick shoe, honestly. I think this is great. And yeah, that's me out. If you guys enjoyed the video, like I said, leave a like, subscribe if you like this content. I'll do more unboxings for you in the future. Definitely going to be doing more of a style videos in the future, and like a series of like trying to figure out how to make money online. Kind of do that on the TikTok at the moment. I just made one video, so I want to be trying to do more parts on that series. So if you are interested in making money online, let's do it together. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'm going to end this video. I have been rambling. I might clip off the rambling bits when it comes to this video, because this is solely an unboxing video, so I do apologize if I did ramble on about other crap in my personal life. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Pieces.